Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Jemima. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I'll be taking you through PowerPoint presentation. I request you to tune to me as we go through this. PowerPoint is a presentation software developed by Microsoft which allows users to create, edit, and deliver visually engaging slideshows. However, it's commonly practiced in business and school presentations. PowerPoint is well utilized to create slideshow of valuable information through charts and images for presentation. Besides that, PowerPoint is absolute presentation graphics package that gives you everything you need to create professional looking presentation. As you know, I think let's follow the procedures of using this PowerPoint presentation. You open this. As you know, you click onto PowerPoint. From there, you have to click onto blank presentation.